All right, just a quick backstory. I found this part right here, the bearing part, just sitting here in the bottom of my coach, and underneath my seat there's a little slide part mechanism that goes back and forth, and this is a little bolt attached with a bearing that needs to go there. So we're going to show you how to get that. It's nothing like walking up and seeing your package delivered. Okay, to take it apart, basically I'm going to take this off, put it over here, move out my bed, and then if you come over here, I'll show you there's two little tabs. There's a tab right here and a tab on the other side. You basically pull that tab out and you lift up, and then on this side there's another tab. You pull that tab out and you lift up your little mechanism right here. So I'm just gonna lay this down like so I'm not gonna scratch my floor, and move it out of the way. Okay, next I'm gonna take out these 8 little screws right here on the bottom. So make sure I have this in reverse area. Okay, now this whole section's gonna come out. So I'm gonna fold this down, take out this little piece right here, just toss that up there, and then we're gonna lift this whole section up and out. Oh, the seat belts are connected, so we gotta get the seat belts. Drop the seat belts in there. Drop this back down again. And then just pick this up and put it right on top of this other piece. Like so. Okay. Now I'm basically just going to pull the seat belts back here so I can have some working room. And then I have 4 little screws right here. This is a little thing to catch stuff from going underneath there and actually messing with your mechanism. So I'm just going to take these screws out. Hold on, I got a light for that. So to give you an idea of what we're working with, this is a good roller, and this is the one that's sheared off. So we're going to need to take out this bolt right here and replace it. That up right there. So now you just basically got to tap this out. And on the other side, just pull it. So which one do you think is the bad one? Okay.
tight.
So that's the top, and this is the one we just replaced. Looks good. And voila, you are done. Sweet! Perfect. And that little broken bearing also caused some issues up here. So as you can see, that's a little ripped. And then on the interior, this got jumbled up into a giant ball and really put a lot of stress onto my slide out as well. So I had to purchase a whole new replacement for this, and I'll show you how to do that next.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.